Here we have a square ABCD with sides of the measure 8 centimeters. Then we have a slightly bigger square DEFG with sides of the measure 20 centimeters. Now the line segment AF intersects CD at a point X. What we need to find is the area of this triangle ADX. Now ADX looks like an ordinary triangle, but what is it? It is actually a right triangle. Why is that? Because ABCD is a square and all the angles of a square are 90 degrees. So what we have here is a right triangle. Then what is its area? Its area of any triangle is half into base into altitude. But then when you have a right triangle, it is what? It is half into product of its legs. Now what are the legs of a right triangle? It is the two shorter sides. The two sides which are not the hypotenuse. So its area is what? Half into AD into DX. But then what is AD? We know that AD is actually 8. So what is our area? Our area is 4 times dx. Now to find the area, all we need to find is the measure of this line segment dx. Now look at the triangle ADX and a slightly bigger triangle AEF. What do you notice? They are similar. Why is that? Both of them have the common angle A. This angle A is common to both ADX and AEF. And then what? Here at D you have a right angle, and for the larger triangle at E you have a right angle. Why is that? Because DEFG is also a square. All the angles of a square are 90 degrees. So therefore these two angles are also equal. Then what does that mean? The third pair of angles will also be equal to one another, or in other words ADX and AEF are similar using the AA criterion. But then what do we know? When two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That means AD by AE is equal to DX by EF. What all values do we know here? We know that AD is 8. We know AE is 28. And then what is EF? EF is the side of a square. So here also you have a 20 centimeters. This is 20 centimeters. Then how much will DX be? So our dx is 40 by 7. And why do we need dx? Our area, the area of this triangle ADX is 4 times dx, which means what? Which means our required area of this triangle is 160 by 7 centimeters square. That is the answer we were looking for. So that is all. Assalamu alaikum.